während ihres gesamten Aufenthaltes an Bord Pflicht ist. Diese Maskenpflicht besteht auch für geimpfte Gäste.
Start of the new journey.
Alright, so after a long flight from Montreal to Zurich and then another flight from Zurich to Amsterdam, finally arrived here at Amsterdam. Sitting here in the airport, gonna get a taxi to the residence pretty soon. Didn't sleep at all last night, not even a little bit. On the way out, I met this buddy named Mark. He's also coming for a year-long exchange here in Amsterdam. He's studying international management. Yeah, he's studying international management. So I'm going to the residence in a couple hours to pick up the keys. All right, man.
Well, see us for sure, right?
Yeah, it was good to meet you, man.
Yeah, nice to meet you too, man.
Yeah, we'll keep in touch and yeah, I'll see you later. All right, so I just arrived at the residence. Got all my stuff right there. I don't think I've slept in over 30 hours. So I'm gonna take a look at the map, try and find the location where I can pick up my key, then maybe go to my room and have a nap.